Welcome friends. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to give style to link. Links can style with CSS properties like color, font family, font style, background color and other property. But special to links are that they can be styled differently on what state they are in. So let's see various states of link. First state is normal state, which is unvisited. Second state is visited. When we click on the link and that link is visited, so that link will be in visited state. Now another state is overtake, means when we over the mouse on the link, then that state will be over state of link. And active links, when we click on the links, then that link will be in active state. So let's see how to style this state using CSS. So first we will style simple link, which is unvisited link. So this is the syntax for giving style to link. I want to give blue color to unvisited link. So write color is equal to blue. So this is the simple CSS style property. Now I want to give, when link is visited, give color to green. When mouse is over on the link, I want to set background color and color of the text to different color, which is in visited or in unvisited. So H over is used to give this effect. I want to set color is equal to pink, background color to black. So when we over the mouse, it will be affected. And last is the active. When link becomes active, this effect will be applied. So I want to set color is equal to yellow. We can also set size of the link dynamically. So I want to set font size is equal to 30 pixel. Now let's run what happens. We have given one link which is linked to styling font.html. So let's run. We can see one link is created which is in blue color. Now we over the mouse on the link. So the background color is set to black and color of the link text is in pink. Now let's click on the link. What happens? The page is redirected to stylingfont.html page. Now when we back to this page, the color of link is changed because it is visited state. So it is in green color. So when we over the mouse, we can see background and color property of link is changed because we have set its property and link states. So this is how we can format link based on its state. So this is about styling of link. Thank you.